Thank you, Mr. President, Commissioner Varela. You stand accused of sending a blasphemous text. You protest, but I'm illiterate. The verdict, guilty. Sentence, death. That verdict befell Shagufta Kozer and Shafkat Emanuel, a Pakistani Christian couple. They have been on death row since 2014. Shafkat's health deteriorated, fell into a coma, and was denied proper medical attention. Is this Pakistani justice? To let them die in prison and orphan their 4 children? That same year, a mob lynched another Christian couple. They were stripped, paraded naked, and savagely beaten. Finally, the mob burned them in the very kiln they use daily to make bricks. The couple's 3 surviving children were all they left behind. Pakistan's Prime Minister, Imran Khan, rather than defend his citizens' human rights against false accusers or reform its barbaric blasphemy law, equated denial of the Holocaust, a genocide, to criticism of Islam's prophet. Mr. President, Prime Minister Khan has crossed the Rubicon. EU policy towards countries that enable Islamic extremism must be resolute. Withdraw Pakistan's GSP Plus status now. Thank you.